Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Welcome back to Sandra Studio Toolbox. Now today I decided to break it up and figure out a segment for my videos, and today is going to be Business Tool Talk Tuesday. And we are going to be focusing on vision boards. Now let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered the purpose of a vision board, or wonder how you can make your visions become a reality when setting up your vision board? If so, stay tuned. A vision board, I think, is like a big dream for the future. It's clear and exciting pictures of what you want to achieve. Think of your vision board as goals that make decisions and guides you to take actions to make your dreams come true. It's like having a plan to reach a particular destination. Today, let's start off by talking about how to make your vision board work for you. Manifesting things from your vision board is like bringing your dreams to life. Here's a simple way to understand it. First, you need to believe in what you're putting on your board. Okay? Like really believe that the things that are on your vision board can come true. Imagine them as if it's already happened and feel excited about it, like you're already there. Take small steps. Break down your big dreams into smaller steps. For each picture or goal that you place on your vision board, think about little things that you can do every day to get closer to your goal. Keep a positive mindset, positive attitude. Never speak negative things out loud, okay? Focus on what you want, not on what you don't have. Never focus on what you don't have. Always have an attitude for gratitude. Imagine the good things that are happening, and it will attract positive energy. Close your eyes and picture yourself achieving your goals. See every detail, from the color, the feel, the touch, the excitement, and let the positive feelings motivate you. Now remember, manifesting isn't just about wishing. Okay, it's about putting forth some effort. You have to work hard on small steps, just to get closer to your goal. Do something each and every day to get closer to your goal, and just remember not to give up. Remember to look at this vision board daily to keep your mind focused on what you're trying to achieve. And when you achieve a goal, celebrate those milestones. Do something for yourself. A small victory or so is a step closer to your big dreams. Recognize and appreciate your progress. And remember to give yourself a little grace. Even if you don't reach the exact goal, remember you have made progress. Now let's get into the specifics of how vision boards are done. I've seen a variety of different ways. I've seen boards done on poster boards. I've seen them on computers or their personal phone as a wallpaper. You can use art books where you might not want to hang your vision board on the wall for everyone to see. If you don't have a private place to hang it, you can do it in an art book. And that way you can look at that book every day. And I've also seen where people use old pictures and picture frames and pin them to their boards that way. Now, you don't have to choose just one. If you want to have an art book and you want to have one that's hanging on your wall, then do that, and make sure that you divide your board into categories. For instance, your financing, personal health, business, spirituality. That way, when you do it in that manner, there's a direct focus on each different aspect of your goal that you're looking to achieve. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today on Vision Boards. Next week, we're going to continue with how to create a vision board in Canva. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, Allez bon temps roulé. I'll see you in the next video.